NISH, where inspiration and innovation meet on a harmonious integrated campus. NISH, the National Institute of Speech and Hearing, is committed to shaping the future of students with a comprehensive range of courses. At NISH, we offer different courses meticulously designed to empower individuals with the skills and knowledge to thrive in an ever-evolving world. We offer degree programs in computer science, commerce and fine arts affiliated to the University of Kerala exclusively for students with hearing impairment. NISH is committed to training a skilled workforce for disability services. We offer graduate and postgraduate programs in audiology and speech-language pathology, in addition to a graduate program in occupational therapy. These are affiliated to the Kerala University of Health Sciences and recognized by the Rehabilitation Council of India. Along with that, we offer diploma courses approved by the Rehabilitation Council of India, such as Diploma in Indian Sign Language Interpretation, Diploma in Teaching Indian Sign Language, and Diploma in Early Childhood Special Education. We also provide a certificate course in assistive technology. Our campus provides the perfect backdrop for academic excellence, a completely accessible campus, dedicated faculty and a vibrant environment. NISH is more than an institution. It's a commitment to fostering talent, fostering potential, and fostering a better future. Join us on this inspiring journey at our integrated campus. Step into a world where diversity flourishes and inclusion is celebrated.